Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet designed by BoredParacord. For today's project we're gonna use white, red and the green paracord 550. The setup for the jig is 4-strand bracelet core with 2 colors, and the full tutorial how to create this 4-strand core you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards, so go ahead and check it out. As you can see here, I fused the green and red one, and now we're gonna start. We're gonna take the white paracord and we're gonna make it between first and the second core strand from the right side, and then from the top between the first and the second core strand from the left side, and we're gonna place it here. Now we're gonna take the red paracord and we're gonna make it around and from the top into the middle between the second and the third core strand, or between red and the green paracord. So insert it and pull it aside. And now with the green, now take the white one, make it around and from the back between first and the second core strand from the left side and through, and then on top and from the top into the gap between third and the fourth core strand on the right side. Now the white one around and through, and then around and from the top. So now, as you can see, we created 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 turns with the green and 5 turns with the red one. Now we're gonna make transition, but first we're gonna insert or we're gonna do one more pass with the white cord. So around and from the top through the gap. And now from here we're gonna simply take the 6th and we're gonna make it on top, and we're gonna pass it to the side here. So we're gonna change the sides to this side here, and with the red one we're gonna change to this side. And now we're gonna make the turn with the white and proceed.